Hello everyone, I want to show you great trades that you can repeat as well. It's deals like this we have. Here is the profit percentage. Each transaction is unique and thoroughly thought out. All these deals, this is not just a video format. All transactions are displayed on YouTube broadcasts. 24/7 you can go to the live broadcast section and watch everything live on the YouTube channel. Such trades are all broadcast live. You will not see this anywhere at all. And the transactions themselves, they are well thought out. Each transaction is kind of in the black. Let's analyze each transaction to make it more clear how to repeat such trades. And let's analyze with the price entry is 0.21 here, remember it, and let's analyze how we got it. And so let's switch to the trending view. Here's the buck USDT daily time frame. Let's imagine a situation where you need to trade without algorithms. It's actually very difficult. It's easier to trade with certain algorithms. So this algorithm, it's designed in an interesting way. It indexes all the best indicators that the world has. Some of the best global indicators included previously used in stock markets, they're all now applied to the crypto segment, the crypto market. These are RSI, stochastic, accelerator, and Williams, %R, % range, MFI, MACD, and Japan trade. All of these algorithms have been carefully developed. At a certain point, they're all calculated and shown as an average percentage, making it easier to trade based on percentages. So what does this numeric representation mean? The 100% mark indicates overbuying, meaning it'd be wise to sell. As it approaches 1%, you need to buy more. This would mean the asset is oversold. And if you look closely at the numbers, you'd understand that here we need to sell closer to 100% and buy more as it gets closer to 1%. Trading in this manner is actually quite straightforward. For example, if we revisit the previous figure we displayed here, 0.21, there it is. Suppose the buy rate is 0. 21, let's locate it approximately on the graph. How were they? Where were they? We get a rough understanding. Yes, 0.21 was the price. This is approximately the price. How do we find such a precise entry into this particular position? As some asset drops, for instance, if we withdraw it, how can we recognize that it has fallen? And how far will the price go? It's impossible to figure it out without algorithms. For that, there are Intellect CTE algorithms which present it as a percentage, meaning close to 1% you need to buy. Close to 100% you need to sell everything. You can easily make profits. It's all quite simple. It will be shown on a live broadcast 24/7 on the YouTube channel, so that you all see it all live 24/7, and it will be on the YouTube channel. Just go in there. Let's say once again the enterprise entrance price, the YouTube channel itself. We watch all these trades openly. Everything is very easy and simple. That is, you can trade on a 1-minute time frame, you can trade on a 2-hour time frame, watch how it works, how it's done. That is, let's say I'll show you a simple example to make it clear how it works. I'll turn on this reversal. We look, this is how it works. That is, it's actually very easy to find certain moments to enter for longs, for buying, for shorts, for selling. As soon as it approaches 100%, you need to sell. As soon as it approaches 1%, you need to buy. You can slowly find these good trades and it works. On any time frame, daily or 2-hour, we personally combine both, watch both. If the numbers match, we choose the numbers. Enter a position as if in a daily time frame, in a long and a 2-hour locally. If both match simultaneously, this is a great position for the year to make a profit, earn good money. The visual example is clear, easy indeed. The algorithm has worked well for years, and you can watch all these transactions live on YouTube 24/7. Watch and check for yourself. That's it. Good with you.